first? Okay, the dress up game. You wanna play the dress up game or the animals first? Okay, animals. Okay, let's scatter the round. Yay, okay, then we have to find where should we put this one? Where should we put this one? This is a sleeping dog. Let's put it here. Let's put this is a house, maybe here. Let's put the house here. Try it. Good job. Next, what's that? What's this first? Chicken. Let's put it here. Try it here. Maybe here. Maybe here. Yes. Try it. Good job. Next, the rooster. This one is the rooster. Let's put the rooster here. Can you put the rooster here? Okay, I'll put it here. Next, the cow. Yes. Next, the cow. Let's put it in here. Oh, a horse. Let's put the horse here. Okay. Let's put this dog over here. Look, I found a duck. Let's put the duck here. Then last one is the tractor. Yes. Okay, now let's play the dress. Let's change the dress of this bear. See, she's wearing yellow color. Now let's change into red color. This one. Red. And the red shoes. Oh, red shoes. Choose the red shoes. So put it matching. Put the red shoes. Good job. Look, it's nice. Okay, now let's change into this clothes, the blue clothes, blue dress. Yes. It fits. Try it. Other side have to fit. Maybe like this, and try these blue shoes. Okay. Try it. Oh, looks cute. Okay, change into purple. Let's remove it. Change into purple. This one is purple. Okay, put the pink here. Okay, put the purple. Other side. Good job. And what about the shoes? Purple shoes. Okay, try the pink shoes. Put the pink shoes. Okay, now let's try the purple shoes. Looks better than the pink shoes. Okay, now let's change into this last dress.